In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an HTML email template to Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a regular campaign and bring in an HTML design from a public URL so you can use it inside Mailchimp's editor. First, sign into your Mailchimp account and open your main dashboard. From here, click the Create button. This opens the creation panel where you choose what you want to build. Select email to start a new email campaign. When you see the options for email types, pick regular. This is the standard email campaign format and works perfectly for importing a custom HTML template. You'll be asked to name your campaign. Type a clear internal name that makes it easy to recognize later. Something like the newsletter topic and date works well. This name is for you and your team. Your subscribers won't see it. When you're ready, click. Begin to move into the campaign builder. In the campaign builder, head to the content section and choose Design Email. This opens the template chooser. Instead of picking a pre-built layout, look for the code your own category. Select that. Then choose the Import from URL option. This tells Mailchimp you want to fetch the HTML from a live, publicly accessible web address. Paste your template's URL into the field. Before you import, a quick note to save time later. Make sure the page at that URL is just your email HTML, not a full website layout with navigation. Also ensure your images are hosted at public links and that your CSS is inlined or supported by email clients, since external style sheets are often stripped by inboxes. When the URL looks good, click Import. Mailchimp will pull in the code and generate a preview. After the import completes, review the design inside the editor. If you see any warnings about unsupported code, that usually points to scripts, forms, or external CSS, which aren't allowed in most email clients. Replace anything flagged with email-safe alternatives if needed. You can also update your subject line, preview text, and other campaign details while you're here, but your imported layout should now be attached to the campaign. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Continue. This saves your imported HTML as the campaign's content and returns you to the campaign overview so you can proceed with the rest of your usual workflow. That's it. Your custom HTML email is now inside Mailchimp, ready for testing and scheduling. Thanks for watching and happy sending.